INTE-AUTO's 2C series connectors are a line of high-performance, precision-engineered connectors that are widely recognized for their exceptional quality and reliability. These connectors, designed by INTE-AUTO, a leading brand in the connector industry, are specifically tailored for use in demanding environments where consistent and reliable connections are critical. Features of INTE-AUTO's 2C series connectors. INTE-AUTO's design, high-low insulator to prevent mismatching. Features easy to use, secure latching push-pull for quick connections. Offers a variety of 2 to 14 pins configurations for different needs. Designed compactly to save space in tight areas. Provides full protection against electromagnetic interference. Made with materials that withstand high temperatures for safety. Includes a soft sleeve to protect and extend cable life. INTE-AUTO's 2C series connectors are suited for a range of critical applications: medical instruments and patient care equipment, military communications and navigation systems, data and power transmission in aerospace, data systems and sensors in high-performance vehicles, audio and video signal transmission and broadcasting. INTE-AUTO has successfully combined innovative design with practical functionality, making the 2C series a preferred choice in a variety of demanding applications.